Hey everyone, have you ever wondered how to use WhatsApp on your iPad, even though there's no official app yet? Well, stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. As you might know, WhatsApp is the world's most popular messaging app, but unfortunately, there's still no dedicated WhatsApp app for the iPad. But don't worry, there's a simple workaround that lets you use WhatsApp on your iPad right now. While we wait for the official app, which is currently in beta testing, to be released, you can use WhatsApp Web to access your messages on your iPad. This method is quick, easy, and doesn't require any special skills. Let's get started with the step-by-step guide. First, open Safari or any web browser on your iPad and go to web.whatsapp.com. Since WhatsApp Web defaults to the mobile site, you'll need to switch to the desktop version. In Safari, tap on the AA icon in the URL bar and select Request Desktop Site. A QR code will appear on your iPad screen. Now, open WhatsApp on your phone, go to Settings, then tap on Linked Devices, and then Link a device. Use your phone to scan the QR code displayed on your iPad. Give it a moment to sync, and voila! Your WhatsApp chats are now accessible on your iPad. If you want fast access, you can add a shortcut to your home screen. Tap the share icon at the top of Safari, select Add to Home Screen, rename it WhatsApp if you like, and tap Add. Now you'll have a WhatsApp icon right on your iPad's home screen for quick access. So what does the future hold? WhatsApp is indeed working on an official iPad app currently in beta testing. It promises features like end-to-end encryption and the ability to use WhatsApp independently of your phone. We don't have a release date yet, but we'll keep you updated as soon as we hear more. This is great news for businesses. Imagine managing customer inquiries right from your iPad, making multitasking smoother than ever. If your business relies on iPads for daily operations, this will streamline your communication immensely. Did you know that you can run both WhatsApp Messenger and WhatsApp Business on the same device? All you need is a second phone number for verification. That's where virtual number services like Your Business Number come in. They provide you with a second number that you can use exclusively for your business communications on WhatsApp. Getting a virtual number is easy. Visit the Your Business Number website, choose a plan that fits your needs, and receive your new number via SMS in just a few clicks. Now you're ready to keep your personal and business communications separate. So there you have it. Even without an official app, you can easily use WhatsApp on your iPad using WhatsApp Web. Plus, with tools like WhatsApp Business and virtual numbers from Your Business Number, managing your business communications has never been easier. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.